Welcome to PI Tutorial. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create a Microsoft account quickly and easily. So, let's begin. First, open your internet browser on your device. Then, in the search bar, type Microsoft account. From the results, click on Sign In or Create your account today. Once the page opens, click on Sign In. Next, select Create One. You will now be redirected to the Create Your Microsoft Account page. Here, enter the email address you want to use. You can either use your existing email or create a new one. If you want to create a new Outlook email, just type the username you want and add outlook.com at the end. You can also choose between outlook.com or hotmail.com. After that, click Next. Now create a strong password. Make sure it includes a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, symbols. Once done, click Next again. Next, select your country and enter your date of birth. After that, type in your name and click Next. Now you will see a verification page that says, "Let's prove you're human." Just press and hold the button shown on the screen. After completing the verification, click OK. And that's it! Your Microsoft account has been successfully created and is ready to use. Now you have your own Microsoft account. Easy, right? Don't forget to save your email and password in a safe place. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to PI Tutorial.